In the past 2 days, October 22nd to 23rd, 2025, OnBird Phu Quoc officially began the Reef Regeneration project at the Coral Jungle Reef, marking an important step in the ongoing effort for coral reef restoration in Phu Quoc Island. The initial restoration zone spans approximately 200 square meters, and at a depth of to 4.5 meters. Within this area, our team and marine biologists have installed coral bases and begun transplanting fragments, nurtured in both the northern and southern coral nurseries, colonies that have been grown and monitored for more than 6 months. The first phase includes multiple coral species carefully relocated to the site. 8 coral species have been successfully prepared and transplanted, 2 more than initially planned, building a strong foundation for biodiversity recovery. Acropora pulchra, or staghorn coral, recognizable by its branching structure, capable of growing up to 30 centimeters per year. Acropora rosea, or cherry blossom coral, noted for its turquoise color and steady growth of around 20 centimeters per year. Porite cylindrina. Porite cylindrina was one of the few species that survived the severe bleaching at Coral Jungle Reef. According to OnBird's observations, this coral may have adapted to new environmental conditions, as several small colonies were found with only minor damage at the base. These colonies have now been collected, fragmented, and transplanted onto new natural substrates for restoration. Acropora cytherea, cable coral, a fast-growing cable coral that forms broad, plate-like structures to capture sunlight efficiently in shallow waters. Pocillopora damicornis, cauliflower coral. It was among the most affected species, disappearing completely from the Coral Jungle Reef after the 2024 bleaching event. OnBird's team has relocated fragments from southern reefs to this area for restoration, and is now cultivating new colonies in the Coral Garden Nursery, preparing for the next transplantation activities. In addition, several other coral species are also being cultivated and prepared for transplantation in the Coral Garden Nursery, including Acropora hyacinthus, Acropora millipara, Acropora gemifera. After transplantation, young coral fragments, much like patients recovering from surgery, remain fragile and vulnerable to external threats. One of the main dangers comes from Drupella canis, a coral-eating snail found across Indo-Pacific reefs. To protect the new transplants, the OnBird team closely monitors the coral restoration sites, controlling the presence of Drupella snails to prevent outbreaks and ensure healthy coral growth in the early stages of regeneration. This project combines OnBird's coral nursery experience with field data from local marine specialists, aiming to establish a replicable model for sustainable reef recovery. It emphasizes science-based action, careful observation, and collaboration rather than large-scale intervention. Guests joining our snorkeling experiences at Coral Jungle Reef can witness the regeneration site firsthand. An open, transparent effort to understand how coral restoration contributes to the natural rhythm of Phu Quoc's marine ecosystems. Every tour booked directly with OnBird contributes to our Coral Restoration Fund. Learn more at onbird.vn/regeneration.